Be super awesome.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Die, scum!
Beware.
Get those billows pumping!
Destruction. Beware.
Call in more security!
Destruction. Beware.
I will crush you!
The Fury has broken free!
Burn the foreman.
Alright, I'm gonna bring Felspar over to the right.
Get it under control!
I got him.
Warlord, we have it under control!
Destruction.
How the fuck do I have a bomb?
Beware. Destruction.
Now I'm standing on X, and this guy's not coming to me. He's just hitting me from afar.
Beware.
There you go.
Okay, there we go.
He's interrupted.
Foreman's down. I'm on heads.
Interrupt the interrupt the slag and elemental source. Yep, there you go.
Okay, elementalist.
Beware.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
20 seconds left on Elementalist.
Beware.
10 seconds, burn it.
Got him.
5, 4,
Alright, clear up the
3,
fire collars.
2,
Jimmy,
1.
walk over towards Moon.
Beware.
Where's Moon?
It's the next one rotated from Red X.
No.
5,
Moon's across the
4,
So square, you should be standing on square
2,
right now.
1.
Beware.
Elementalist is vulnerable.
Beware.
Burn him down.
10 seconds.
Not gonna die fast enough.
Destruction.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
2, 1.
Nice job, guys.
Beware.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Beware. Beware.
Bob, can you bring your guys this way? Thank you.
Beware.
Az, are you
Five,
there?
four,
Yeah, I'm here.
three, two, one.
You need to move this way. You are out of range.
Elementalist is free, by the way.
Beware.
That's 20 seconds.
Jimmy, you need to run that elementalist to them.
It
Got it.
is free.
Alright,
Warlord.
clean up.
Beware.
Mav, you pick up the main boss first. Let me know when we get 3 stacks.
Starter on this side.
Papa Lusta.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Suffer.
Beware.
Range should be stacked.
Drown in fire.
There's a fire caller up here too that you
Beware.
can take care of.
Drown in fire.
Watch those melts. Everybody should be behind the boss.
Beware.
Range should all be standing on Az.
Drown in fire.
Beware.
Suffer. Drown in fire.
Beware.
Bring him back.
Drown in fire.
Beware.
Drown in
Good job.
Nice.
extinct.
What is the Ember of the Mountain for?
That question
Unless
picked
we
up
just
after
picked
That
Maidens.
quest, yeah.